Welcome back, makers and creators. Today we're diving into the best new woodworking tools and accessories that combine precision, power, and affordability. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these tools will elevate your projects and make your workshop more efficient. Let's get started. Number 1. WORKPRO 20-volt cordless mini circular saw. Meet the WORKPRO 20-volt cordless mini circular saw, a compact tool built for precision and power. Its motor runs at 4,500 revolutions per minute, delivering fast, clean cuts through wood, tile, plastics, PVC, and even soft metals. Weighing only 4.36 pounds, it allows comfortable one-handed use. Cutting angles adjust from 0 to 45 degrees, with depths of 1.116 inches at 90 degrees and 1.18 inches at 45. A built-in laser, safety lock switch, ergonomic grip, and dust hose keep your work accurate, safe, and clean. Number 2. Saker Mini Multifunctional Table Saw. Ever tried cutting a tiny piece of wood or plastic with a big saw? It never ends well. This little guy is made for the small stuff. PCB boards, wooden sticks, thin sheets, aluminum tubes, even cans. It comes with 4 different blades, so you are covered for almost any tiny material. The motor is surprisingly strong for its size, 90 watts, 5-speed settings. You can tilt the blade up to 90 degrees for angled cuts. It is small enough to sit on your desk, 7 by 6 inches. Great for model makers, jewelers, or anyone who builds miniature things. Number 3. Japanese handsaw set. Most Western saws cut when you push. These cut when you pull. That small difference changes everything. Pull cuts stay straighter because the blade stays tight. No buckling, no wandering off your line. This set gives you 3 blades, a double-edged ryoba for rip cuts and cross cuts, a flush cut saw for trim work, dowels, and tight spaces, and an 8-inch pruning blade for branches. All 3 are SK5 high-carbon steel, so they stay sharp longer. Works on wood, bamboo, PVC, and drywall. If you have ever struggled with a dull push saw that binds halfway through a cut, try these. You will feel the difference immediately. Number 4. WORKPRO Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This is one of those tools you do not need often, but when you need it, nothing else works. The WORKPRO oscillating tool has a 3-amp motor and a 3-degree oscillation angle. That angle matters. Wider angle means faster cuts. 7 speed settings from 15,000 to 23,000 RPM. You can go slow for sanding or fast for cutting nails and screws. Best feature: tool-less blade changes. Flip a button, swap blades, press it back. No wrench, no swearing. Comes with 17 accessories and a carrying bag. Works with most universal blades from other brands too. Great for flush cuts, scraping glue, or trimming door jambs. One of those tools you will thank yourself for owning. Let me save you from using a razor blade on your plywood edges. You will slip, you will gouge the wood, you will be angry. This little trimmer fixes all of that. Wooden handle feels good in your hand. The blade is stainless steel and double-sided. When one side gets dull, just flip it. The V-shaped design keeps the blade away from your fingers. Smart. Works on plywood, melamine, laminate, PVC, ABS, and veneer. Straight edges or curved edges, does not matter. Cabinet makers use these, so should you. 3 replacement blades come in the box. For $10, this is the easiest upgrade you will make this year. Number 6. Bosch Palm Router. Ask 10 cabinet makers which palm router they trust. At least 7 will say Bosch. The Colt has a 1.25 horsepower motor, variable speed from 16,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute. Soft start so it does not jerk out of your hands when you pull the trigger. The depth adjustment system is brilliant. No guessing, no fiddling, just precise settings every time. The base is solid aluminum, not split plastic. Takes bits up to 1 and 5/16 inches wide. Built-in LED light so you can actually see your cut line. Constant response circuitry keeps the speed steady even when you push hard. This is not the cheapest palm router, it is the last one you will buy. Number 7. Milescraft CompactSubBase. Your palm router is great, but the stock base, it is holding you back. The Milescraft CompactSubBase fixes that. It replaces your tiny router base with a much larger clear plastic base. Now you can see exactly where you are cutting. The big upgrade is the handles, 360-degree rotating comfort grips. Your hands will not cramp up anymore. It accepts standard 1 and 3/16 inch guide bushings. That means you can use templates now. Hinges, inlays, lettering, all easy. Comes with 2 mortise pins too. Perfect for cutting mortises. Universal mounting inserts mean it fits almost every trim router on the market. Bosch, Makita, DeWalt, you name it. Number 8. MICROJIG MatchFit CNC Clamping Kit. Normal clamps wobble. These do not. The MICROJIG MatchFit system uses a dovetail groove. The clamp expands inside the track and locks at any angle. Rock solid. No movement at all. Here is the genius part. You drop the clamps in from the top, not sliding from the end, so you can add clamping points anywhere on your table in seconds. The kit includes edge clamps, ring clamps, ramp clamps, and U-pad clamps. 11 pieces total. Low profile design keeps the surface clear for your router or CNC. Works with any half-inch dovetail groove. Fast setup, no tools needed. This is how professional shops hold down their work. Number 9. Seesii Cordless Circular Saw with Laser 2 batteries. That is the smart part. The Seesii comes with two 21-volt 4 amp-hour batteries. One runs for 60 minutes. Swap to the second battery instantly. Zero downtime. Perfect for outdoor jobs with no power outlet in sight. The motor hits 5,200 revolutions per minute. Cuts through wood fast and smooth. Adjustable bevel from 0 to 45 degrees. Max depth is 2¼ inches at 90 degrees. Built-in laser guide and LED light. Dust port fits most vacuums. Double protection switch prevents accidental startups. Weighs about half of a standard 7¼ inch saw. Number 10. JOUNJIP Mini Miter Cut-Off Chop Saw. This is the weirdest tool in this video, and I love it. The JOUNJIP is a tiny chop saw for tiny jobs. It cuts soft wood, plastic, aluminum, copper, and brass. Maximum piece size is ½ inch thick or ½ inch wide. 7,800 revolutions per minute. Cuts so clean you do not need sanding. Model makers use this. Jewelers use this. Even stained glass artists use it for zinc cane. And yes, it cuts rifle brass cases if you are into that. Adjustable miter from 0 to 45 degrees. Comes with 3 blades and a table clamp.